2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to connect your Telegram credentials to n8n. Let's go. To get things started, click on the Telegram trigger, click the drop down for the credential to connect with, hit create new credential, then you'll need your access token. This will come from the Telegram app. So create an account and then open up the Telegram app. Once the app is open, you're going to go to chats and you're going to create a new message to the bot father. Press start. Type in /new bot. He wants us to pick a name. Now give it a username. And with that, you're pretty much done. All you need to do is take this API key and copy it and paste it into a secure place that you'll remember so that you can use this bot in the future, and also in a place that no one else can access, because anybody who has this API key will have access to your bot. You'll then paste that API key into the access token box over here, hit save, and then you get the green box that it's been tested and connected successfully. Give it a name, save it, X out, and then test it out by pressing execute step. You can message it by clicking directly on this link from the bot father. Press start, and you can see that this text /start came through. Let's send another message. Press execute step to test it out again. And now you can see that the text is hello world. We'll do one final test. We'll X out of this, get a new Telegram node, send a text message, connect it to our new Telegram credential. You're going to pull from this chat ID that identifies the chat that we've been chatting in, and then we'll put the reply text as, and then we'll add one field to get rid of the n8n attribution. X out, press execute workflow, go back to the app, type in a message, send it, and you've got a response. So there you go. In less than 2 minutes, your Telegram credentials are now connected with your n8n account. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe so you can catch my next video where we take this up to the next level, where I'll show you how to talk with ChatGPT directly from your Telegram bot, and how to level up ChatGPT to do things like transcription. And so, I'll catch you in the next one.